Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can create a custom work type to create work items and issues in your Jira site, for example. Apart from work types like epics, stories, tasks, and so on and so forth, you can create a custom work type like that with its own properties and customization. So let us dive right into it and show you how this can be done, guys. It is actually pretty simple. So what you want to do in the first step is, of course, log into your Jira site. You can do this through the homepage of Atlassian.com and head over to Jira there. Click into sign in the top right corner and sign in, for example, of your Google account. And next, inside your account on Atlassian, click into Jira here and select the Jira site you would like to work on. So I will go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. And next, guys, just for demonstration purposes, let me head over to one of my Jira site's ongoing projects, like that team project here, and switch to the all work view here. You will see these issues or work items listed below within that project. Here to the left, you will see also the given work type or work item type by that icon here. For example, that is a feature. That blue checkbox with a check mark is a task. And we got various subtasks if we, for example, expand these tasks, and so on and so forth, guys. So you can create these work items or issues easily by clicking into create here at the top, or by clicking into the given view bottom here by clicking into create and select one of the work items to the left, like task, epic, feature, story. Name the given work item here, and after that customize it. Now guys, if you'd like to create a completely new custom work type or work item type that hasn't been listed here, you may do that easily by accessing your admin settings. To do that, click into that button in the top right corner here, that gear icon, and select work items from that list below. Inside your admin settings, guys, here to the left, make sure that you head over to the work type section here and select work types below. Here you may, for example, edit or customize the given work item by clicking into these three dots here to the right and select edit or delete them, for example, epics and stories. So if I click into edit, I will be redirected to that field here. So you can rename it from epic to super epic or something like that, describe it. You can even select an avatar here and choose another one or upload a custom one here and confirm by clicking into update. Let me cancel that because I would like to keep that work item with its properties. So if you'd like to start all over, guys, simply click into add work type in the top right corner and give it a name, like, for instance, I don't know, a weekend project or something like that. If you're planning to work on work items only on weekends, so give it a name here. And you may describe it below. Below, guys, here on the work type scheme, you may select an issue type scheme, like a default one, for instance, or if you have created work type schemes yourself, for example, here on the left panel, work type schemes, you may create these by clicking into this button in the top right corner, add work type scheme, and later add these to your new work type. And last but not least, guys, select the type here, standard work type or subtask work type. Let me go for standard work type. And last but not least, simply click into add here to create the new work type. If you don't like the avatar, guys, as previously mentioned, you can always edit these work items. Clicking to these three dots here, select edit, and after that, click into select image here and choose a different avatar. Let me go with this one here, click into update, and that is going to apply that change. Remember also, guys, that there are two different hierarchy levels here for work items on Jira, 1 and 0. Epics, for example, are a level 1 work item type, which means they consist of smaller tasks or subtasks, and these smaller subtasks are usually represented by level 0 work items such as stories, for instance, that can later be linked to parent epics. Alright, guys, that's one way how you can create new work types. Let me just delete that one here for demonstration purposes, just like that. Click into delete here to confirm that deletion. So guys, option number 2 would be to simply manage your work types through the work item creation menu. If you're, for example, in your project, click into plus create here at the top to start a new work item. And here under work type, click into that drop down menu and click into manage work types at the bottom of that drop down menu. And here in your project settings, guys, you may, for example, edit and customize your already existing work types and, for instance, change their properties, context fields, and so on and so forth. Or you may add a completely new work type here to the left by clicking into this button, and after that select create work type here, and again name it here, describe it, and change the icon. Confirm by clicking into create it there. That's the second option. And option number 3, guys, again head back to your project, click into plus create at the top, and click into work type here, but this time click into add work type from the drop down menu. Click into that drop down menu and select custom to create your own work type. And last but not least, again 3 times the charm, name it here, describe it, and change the icon, or assign an icon if you like. So confirm by clicking into add. So as you can see, there are several ways how you can create your custom work types on Jira. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, got some real value from it, and I'd say we see each other in our next tutorial.